Hey guys, it's Nate from 1234 Doors TV. Yes, I'm outside, but today we're going to canoe the Harpeth River and with soggy bottom canoes in Middle Tennessee. So we're heading up to a bigger part of the river. We had a blast, and my brother Sam, his girlfriend Autumn, and my mother are going to be there. So you're in for a good show. Enjoy. Tip your boat, tip your driver. Nice. My cookies fell. Okay, we're starting to get on the canoe. This is the Harpeth River. This is a bigger part of it. There's a smaller part of it over by the house we have in Franklin. It's pretty. Love to see me catching fish, but this video is mainly going to focus on canoeing. First fish of the trip, nice little channel catfish, just a baby though. Yeah, pretty cool catch, caught him right in that little shaded area. Nice little water snake here, cute little guy. Caught him over there, still on the canoes. I'm gonna let him go here, get some pictures. It's a nice water snake. Beautiful snake. 3, 2, 1. There he goes. Same spot as that snake. Nice little bass, smallmouth, or I think it's a largemouth actually, but I think it's a smallmouth. Might be a largemouth, but yeah, nice catch. There's Sam and his girlfriend, my mom. We're all at the river, and I'm gonna get this guy going. That true. That too. Good video.
I am. Get it. Reel it in. Get it. Yeah. Damn! Damn!
Got him!
That
Came
thing
off
big.
right when I reeled him.
Damn, hold him up.
What is it?
It's a carp.
Carp?
Yeah, a buffalo carp actually.
That thing's huge.
That's a nice carp.
Can you eat it?
No, you don't eat these. Oi!
There you go.
Do you have your phone?
I do. I'm recording right now, by the way. Just getting some scenery. Yeah, this is the Harpeth River. That's where we just found that snake and those two fish. There's a rock point over there. Pretty. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe and comment and like the video. And share it with your friends too.